What I want to do here is just show you kind of the speed at which I can scan through the daily chart. So I've got in front of me, I'm just running through the MT4 platform, and I'm just going to literally just scan the dailies, and I'll just, as we go through, you can just kind of see the speed at which I would do it, because sometimes newer traders will say, well, how long does it take you to actually scan full trade setups, and can you do it every day? So this is really just about doing that. So I'm just going to go through it. The first one I've got up is the CAC. I'm using the horizontal levels are produced by a pivot, monthly pivot generator. So nothing fancy, it just immediately just kind of highlights any key levels. It's close to it at any rate, so it's just a starting point for this. So CAC, the problem is there's some key resistance up here, so let's just kick off and let's just have a look and see. DAX is trending, nice, not near the moving averages yet though. Dow, nice, broken through resistance, retesting support. Euro stocks trending on their way away from the moving averages, not bad. FTSE, no clear trend, pass. Okay, Hang Seng, trending upwards, so just keep an eye on these previous highs, but otherwise there's an option there. S&P trending beautifully, intraday setups much better or more likely. NASDAQ, beautiful, really nice trend on the daily time frame. Nikkei, no clear trend and strong resistance, so that's a no. S&P 200, sorry, SPI 200, I beg your pardon, coming up into resistance. Otherwise looks pretty good, just noting previous resistance there. WTI oil, West Texas Instruments oil, undecided at this point in time, so that's a no. Brent is the same, it's undecided. Cocoa, not bad, this is on my list, there we go. But of course what's happening is the US is on holiday today as well as Canada, so that just means nothing's going to happen there. Coffee looking really bullish, it's going to have to retrace at some point, and then I'll be looking to either go long or resume the downtrend. Uptrend on copper hasn't gone anywhere. Natural gas breaking the previous highs, it's an uptrend, that's a possibility. Now let's start with the currencies. Aussie CAD, so no particular order. Aussie CAD is more bearish than bullish, but not trending very well. Aussie Swissy is in an uptrend, but also doing a weekly retracement, maybe. Aussie Yen hitting resistance, no clear trend. Aussie Kiwi looking to break that level of resistance. Potentially there's a trend to the upside there. Aussie Dollar looking again more bearish, but not a great trend. CAD Swissy, yeah, could be some intraday trading to the upside there, but I should also check the weekly time frames. CAD Yen uptrending there, just trying to break through that resistance support level, could be something there to the upside. Swissy Yen looking more bearish than bullish, but also testing support and resistance, so very cautious with that. Euro Aussie, no, that's a no. No clear trend. Euro CAD, yes, but there should be some shorting opportunities on the 1 hour time frame or lower. We've got something again. Euro Swiss is actually setting up now with a potential sell trade, so that looks pretty cool. I'll just put a tag in on that one. There we go. Okay. Euro GBP, alright, downtrend, not bad. There's some recent support, so I just need to check that level there. Euro Yen, yes, possibly a retracement on that, could be a swing trading opportunity later in the week. Euro Kiwi, it's not great, it's a downtrend, it's a bit of a mess. Euro Dollar, it needs to retrace, so it's a pass for today. Pound Aussie, it looks like it wants to resume its uptrend, but nothing just yet. Pound CAD will be the same, it's not going anywhere. Pound Swissy, yes, it might come back down and test this level. It's trying to escape to the upside, but no success. Pound Yen, even worse, no clear trend, so that's a pass. Pound Kiwi, trying to get past this historic level of resistance, and it's pretty bad. It's pretty strong, so I don't think it's going to get through that just yet. Pound Sterling itself, Sterling against the US dollar, that's a no. Kiwi dollar, possibly a move to the downside. No move today because the US is kind of on holiday. Kiwi Yen is stuck within a range, so that's a no. Dollar CAD, potentially if a bullish candle forms here, but there is strong resistance up there, so got to be cautious with that. Dollar Swissy, a retracement back down we've already had, so but there is some potential move to the upside there. And dollar yen is trying to climb up, it's just generally unreliable. Now we've got silver, no clear trend at the moment. Gold, uptrend into resistance, so there's a resistance level there, not cool. We've got platinum just sideways, walk away from that. Then we're on to the indices which I've already been through. We've got US oil and UK oil. Then we've got Bitcoin looking good. There's a bit of a drop down today, bit of a comparison. So that one was Bitcoin Cash, and then we've got Bitcoin here as well. So there's a drop, there's been a bit of a gap down. It's good. Good to know the market can actually do that. Same here with Ethereum. Ethereum right now is just better to trade than Bitcoin. And then I've just got Kiwi CAD, which is more bearish than bullish, and Singapore Free. So kind of, and that's not, there's nothing there. And then I've got gold against euro, which is trending nicely. Okay, so there is a really good tradable opportunity. If I go down and say 4 hour, there's some potential. There's an entry opportunity literally right now as it's breaking the high of that. Potential opportunity there to trade it to the upside. Even possibly on that 1 hour time frame, but the 4 hour looks better. So there's a couple. There's probably out of that about 4 or 5 charts. I can now go through it and look through it in more detail. But that was literally how long it took me to go through commodities, currencies, and indices on a single platform.